Video 211. This is a comment-only delta. We are describing this line using this tag right here. Let's go take a look at it. This formula is kind of confusing because we have this inversion of the bit index local. Why is that? Well, in this example, bit index local will always be 0 for this example. And here we have a 8 by 8 glyph, right? So we have 8 bits on this axis and we have 8 bits on this axis. And our bit index local is either here or here, depending on which word of the glyph we're in. And here's how we get to those different words, using the ASCII value multiplied by 2 with a word offset of 0 for the top and a word offset of 1 for the bottom, because they're in pairs. To get this bit out, though, its address is not actually 0, its address is inverted. Its address is 31. So I call this network bit order. So this address here is like shifting order, and the address inside of here is in network bit order. That's about it. And we might want to say that, we don't want to say something like that. Say that, hey, this thing is in that order, because that looked kind of confusing now that I think about it. And that's it. So here's what we did in this video, and here's our little summary of what we were doing. And you have been on this playlist. I go into more detail in this playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 211. Like and subscribe.